Hello everyone, Rockape here, and today we're doing a different type of video. We're doing kind of like an unboxing video because I won a competition on the old Twitter and was lucky enough to get some stuff sent my way, and I want to share it with you guys because it is a local business to me based in Cardiff. Also, you may have noticed I'm wearing this delicious bathrobe with Rockape on it. Isn't that lovely? That is from my lovely partner in crime. It hasn't got a hood on the back, so it's like one of those ones where he's like, I'm gonna go out for a cigarette. It's one of those types. So that's why I'm wearing it. Feels nice and cozy. So anyway, back with the unboxing. So the company is called Lucky Lion Club. They release pins and art and t-shirt and stuff all the time, and they sent me a whole bunch of pins. We'll start with the box, because even the box that came in is pretty cool. I've already opened it, so I opened it days ago. Is that cheating? Look at that logo on the box. Isn't that cool? That cool logo? I don't know if it'll show up too well on the lighting of the camera, but yeah, blammo! Here we have some lovely little badges. So just without the lighting in the way. Guess what game these are from? That's right, Animal Crossing. If you were right, let me know in the comments. That means you're a fan. I'm looking forward to the new Animal Crossing coming out next year on Switch. It'll be one of those good time wasty kind of games, like Stardew Valley in Minecraft. Blammo! Look! Oh my god, it won't focus. Mew! That's the Mew Pokemon card. If you are probably between the age of 27 and 33, you grew up probably watching Pokemon. And guess what? The first Pokemon movie, I remember it very vividly because I collected all the cards and played the games and stuff. The first Pokemon movie had a shiny card come with it. I think it was more of a sticker. But anyway, blammo! 1999 or whatever. This card came out and I did love it. And now I get it as a badge? That's really cool. Next up, I was also sent this bad boy. Oh, now it decides to focus. From Neon Genesis Evangeline or something. Neon Genesis something or other. It's on Netflix. You can watch it right now. It's a classic anime with giant fighting robots. I've never seen it, but now I've got this cool pin badge. I may just have to watch it. Apparently it's a classic. Real robot fighting classic. Maybe it's the granddaddy robot classic that all like giant robots come from. Who knows? Other than Transformers, of course. Finally, we have my favourite set out of all the badges. Blammo! Cheeky bit of Zelda for you. Oh no, there we go. We have, of course, Link holding on to a thing. We have the traditional Master Sword and Shield, and also Majora's Mask. So that's pretty cool. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Tell me which of those was your favorito. I'll leave a link in the description if you fancy buying some kind of pins like this. I never thought I'd be a pin collector, but here I am, now a pin collector, and I shall continue collecting pins. Before this, all I had was a pin for doing dementia training. Please subscribe. I'm nearly at 1,000 subscribers. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a wonderful weekend ahead. Support your local businesses. It's Christmas coming up. Give them some extra money so that they can celebrate Christmas with their loved ones. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye!